There.
That's good.
That's about right. We got a call for a couple of trucks stuck out at 5 Mile in the mud. Doesn't look too bad. Should be able to get to them and just pull them out with the kinetic straps. Sounds like in an area that we call the pyramids, just because of some formations that are there that are fun to drive on. So just topping off fuel and getting ready to head up there. It is foggy and rainy and snowy and slick and snotty and muddy.
Yep. Should be fun.
Indubitably.
Again, it's probably going to be one of those long drive for a quick recovery, but
yep,
from here it's probably only 35-40 minutes, so
something like that.
Not as bad as one the other night, but
that's
still a decent drive.
We'll film what we remember to. Enjoy. Figured that was probably them.
Should we do the Dodge or the Chevy first? The Chevy's in the road, but the Dodge is kind of in front.
Probably the Dodge first.
So we went mudding yesterday. We got his stuck, and so we're just out to recover it. We got off of work early. And we were doing good until it was going in. Yeah, the whole frame is stepping on dirt.
Yeah.
Tried to use it for
Okay. Sounds good.
Not the best option, but
We'll
doing what we could.
we'll probably start with this one. Which way are you guys headed out?
Back that way?
Back where
Yeah,
you came?
we can do that.
Just
So-
make a loop that way with him?
Yeah. It looks like it might be a little bit of a bridge here. Yeah. It's usually pretty bad right around the bushes though, and these sometimes pop tires.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was thinking, around.
Right around them.
Yeah, and then back that way.
Should we use the blue 30 or the green 20?
It's heavy. I would use probably the 30.
Okay.
See what he's got.
Chevy should have a couple.
Closest thing is like a cross member down there.
Yeah, because probably not going to get it around the diff.
If there's something to hook the winch to, I can pull it up to where the diff is out of the mud and then flip around.
Oh, I got my
I could come over right here and just winch him that way, and then you can hook onto him and pull him out that way.
Seems like a waste of effort.
Or we can pull that one out first, and then pull this one
Backwards? Let's do that. Even if you winch it back a little bit, I mean, it's still the same thing. What do we hook to?
Yeah.
So,
Come in. And then once he gets up, you can kind of see the ruts kind of go away right up there. So that will be a good spot to turn and put out of the nuts and turn around, and then come back and down over there.
should we bring them all the way on the other side?
Yeah, I figured all the way around, and one way or the other, either way, whatever looks easiest up there, and then back, because right behind where I am there's no ruts. It's a nice flat easy spot.
You guys pull people out of here?
Yeah.
What kind of vehicles?
Well, one was a Land Rover Discovery, The other one was a Toyota Yaris.
Oh, a Yaris. A Yaris.
Yeah. He was out doing some mudding in his commuter car. Okay, you want to turn to the right a little bit so your wheels are straight.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Why are you not in it? Is there a reason, or
No.
let's have you jump in it?
Yeah, it might be
For
better
insurance
for me to
purposes,
drive it.
I'd feel a lot more comfortable if he was in it. It does look like it's in a little bit of a deep part, so I'm gonna give it a hefty pull. Not crazy, but more than normal.
Are you going to go up and find the end of the rope and then back up, or just kind of ease into it and go?
I'm gonna ease into it and go.
Okay.
I didn't see tires. Were you going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it a lock, but I was going.
I'll give it a little harder. Yeah, I was gonna go up there.
Right behind the link would be even better. It's not muddy there.
Well, but they still have to drive through this, so I was gonna take it
Yeah,
up
but-
there where it's not muddy at all.
I got tons of traction. It's no problem.
And then they become a projectile.
Yeah.
So we'll use this. It's a lot heavier duty clevis hook. Okay, do you want to go just up to that one and then turn around kind of right there?
I think if we get just where all this kind of mess is right here, we get this truck there and a hook could be able to drive around there on its own power.
Okay.
One is gonna have any trouble driving.
This one I'm gonna pull a lot softer.
Okay.
I don't think we need to get a hard pull.
That's what necessary.
Like that. be able to get out.
Yeah, right. Not surprised 2 diesels together makes it a little harder to hear.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to see if it'll turn around.
Okay.
There's not a lot of traction.
I'll leave all this hooked up in case
That's
I need
why
to.
I left that.
Hey, hook on the other side. Just stay there, Mom. Just stay there. They'll go around you.
They're both still in 4 high right now, so
Okay.
ready to just head out.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna go over and hit back the railroad bed road, or just take this road straight out?
I think that road's straight out, and then out where that road is. And,
Okay. I'll just go out the same way in case you guys run into any more trouble. We'll make sure that you guys get to the highway okay. So, yeah, thank you guys.
thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Go ahead and save our number.
Yeah,
Call
for
us
sure.
anytime.
We'll definitely check out the YouTube video too.
Yeah. It might be a few weeks before this one gets posted, so don't be alarmed. But yeah,
Yeah.
Awesome.
Sure. Sweet.
should be a nice fun one.
Yeah, I can't wait to rip it out here now. So,
Cool.
now you got your truck back.
I know. We had to leave it overnight.
Yeah. So, all right.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Yeah, enjoy.
And Caleb, do you want this in your back seat or in the back of the truck?
Throw it in the back.
Okay, it's
I'll-
a little muddy now.
Yeah, I'll wash it before I throw it back in. Hey.
All right. Well,
The first guy got stuck yesterday, and the second guy tried to pull him out today.
and got stuck. Yeah.
Then they called.
Not too bad. Got them out and back on the road.
Yeah, we'll follow them out just to make sure that they're safe and make it back to the highway. They do have kind of street tires on it, so. And some of the parts on this, they might get stuck again. They'll probably be fine, but
I think so.
we'll follow them out just to make
Yep.
sure. So, thanks for watching.
See you on the next one. Oh boy. Yep. Oh man, the water almost got up to me. That was awesome. And we got, and there's the Montero. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. That threw a pretty good amount of water too.